Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send emails to your newly created Facebook leads. So imagine this lead called as John has been created from your Facebook forms. So you want to thank John via email. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you have to copy all the details of John from Facebook forms, compose an email and send it via Gmail. Or you can just bring in some automation. So in this video we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Facebook and Gmail. So what Pabbly Connect will do is, anytime a new lead is added in Facebook, it will automatically send an email via Gmail. Now this little integration can be done in very few steps. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and here you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Facebook to Gmail. Facebook to Gmail. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Facebook lead ads, this one. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? Okay, so new lead is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new lead is created, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is one more trigger event, that is new lead legacy. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new lead is made in Facebook. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Facebook to Pabbly Connect. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, 2 blanks appears in front of you, the page as well as the lead generation form. So when we expand this, you can find all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. So these are the pages I have. Technical Boy, All Tech Review, Guest Events, Technical Stance, My Page. So basically all the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here because Pabbly Connect is integrated with Facebook. So my point is, what if we create a new page? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new page. Okay, so the name of the page is True Reviews. Okay, and the category is science and tech, science, technology, engineering. Okay, and I'm just going to click on create page. Okay, so a new page called as True Reviews has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and I'm refreshing this. So when I click on refresh and when I go back to the drop down, I can expect to find this newly created page in the drop down. So let's check. Yes, there is indeed a page that is True Reviews. So my point is very clear. Any variation that is bought here will be reflected in Pabbly Connect because Facebook is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So let me just go to this True Reviews. Okay, so as you can see, since we haven't created any form for this newly created page, it is returning it as blank. However, what if I change the page as my page? Okay, so this is a page I have created and there are forms inside this particular page. So these are the forms, lead form, my first lead form and so on. So these are the 2 forms I have. So my point is when we select a lead form, it will basically receive all the data, all the form submission from this particular form. So when I click on save and send test request, it will receive the data that was present in this form. So let me just show you. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, this is the API response. Okay, so let me just show you the API response. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first name, that is Tom, the last name, that is George, this is the phone number, and this is the email. So basically this was the form submission made by a guy called as Tom George. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to my page. Okay, so this is the so what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to my Facebook, and I'm going back to that particular form and make some entries, make some new entries in front of you. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the page. So the page was my page. Yeah, so my page. Okay, so this is the page, and in the publishing tools you will find the form. Okay, so this is the form called as the lead generation form, and I'm going to fill in as a respondent, as a new respondent. So these are the details. So the name of the respondent is Aaron, and the last name is Manuel, and this is his phone number 9131323917, and this is his email address. Okay, so we have the first name, the last name, this is the phone number, and this is the email. So all I'm going to do here is just click on next, click on submit. Okay, so the form has been submitted. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on once again save and send test request. So this time it will show the details of this guy called as Aaron Manuel. So let me just do that. Okay, so as you can see, these are the details of this guy called as Aaron Manuel. So this is the first name, that is Aaron, this is the last name, this is the phone number, and this is the email. Excellent. So basically we have got all the data from the Facebook lead forms. Okay, so now basically we have to send a welcoming email to this guy. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button, and here in the choose app we are going to select Gmail. Okay, so this is the action window, and here we are just going to select Gmail. So now in the action event we just want to send an email, so let's select as send an email. Of course there are many more action events like add label to an email, send email with plain text, and so on, but I'm just selecting send an email. Now just like the triggers, if you don't find the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present I just want to send an email. Okay, so just click on connect with Gmail. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is demanding access to the account through which I want to send the email. So I want to send the email through this account, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before I press allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just press allow. Okay, excellent. So it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. So as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to construct a message from the data that we have received from Facebook lead ads. So before we start mapping, let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Facebook. So let me just scroll down, and let me just input the data. So this is the recipient name, that is Aaron. Okay, and if you want, we can enter the full name. So the last name was Manuel. Okay, then the recipient email. So we want to send the welcoming email to this guy. So the email is this one. Okay, so I want to send the email. I want to send the email from me. So I'm just typing in my name. My name is Michael, and this is my email address. Michael Karas481@gmail.com. Okay, and the email subject is form submission, or how about thank you. Okay, so the email message is hey there Mr. and let me just input the name. Hey there, Mr. Aaron. Thank you for filling out the form. Hey there, Mr. Aaron. Thanks for filling out the form. Excellent. So this is the email message, and we have filled all the details. All we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request to send the mail. So let me just do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the email has been sent. So let me show you in this person's email account. Okay, so this is the email account. I'm going to show that the email. So let me just open this account. Okay, so this is the respondent's account. Yes, here is the mail. Hey there, Mr. Aaron, thanks for filling out the form. Excellent. So the presence of this mail shows that we have successfully integrated Facebook and Gmail with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me just show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize this action window and I'm going to minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Gmail. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Facebook and Gmail. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going back to my Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to once again fill in the form. Okay. So this is the form. So this is the form and I'm going to fill in the detail. So the name of the person is 𝘵𝗍 and this is the last name 𝘵𝗵𝘆 and this is the phone number 9131343917, something random, and this is her email 𝘵𝗵𝘆27@gmail.com. Okay, so this is the email, this is the phone number, this is the last name, and this is the first name. So let me just click on submit. Okay, next, submit. Okay, so the form has been submitted by a person called as 𝘵𝗵𝘆. So let's have a look into the Gmail of 𝘵𝗵𝘆, whether she has got a mail. So I'm going back to the email address of 𝘵𝗵𝘆. Okay, so her email address is this. Just click on sign in. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a message from Michael, that is me. So this is the message. Hey there, Mr. 𝘵𝗍, thanks for filling out the form. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new lead ad is generated in Facebook, it will be reflected as an email in Gmail.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.